What's going on, y'all? This is my first wig review, and I'm so excited to share the goodies that I have today. Well, I'm just going to share one goodie just for today. It is the Sensational by Sensationnel, the Empress lace parting wig, and her name is Gem 46, representing 46 inches of straight fire. I am so excited. I got this from wigtypes.com. They're really inexpensive and just an all-around dope site. I ordered yesterday at 2:30 p.m. and I got it today at 1. So definitely go check them out. Shout out to Danisha Staples for putting me onto wigtypes.com. I'm more of a Sam's Beauty girl, but now I am definitely fucking with wigtypes.com. Go check them out. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to flex this on myself. It is a lace parting wig, so it's not a lot of room for you to flex with the part. All you can do is shift the wig to the right or to the left, but I'm going to keep it right in the middle and stay tuned. So I know a lot of people have jokes about wigs and wig lovers and stuff like that, and listen, I've been rocking wigs for 10 years. I have no problem with my hair growth. I am, my edges are still intact. I'm fine. She's just such a beauty. She's half my size. I'm in love with her. I just want you guys to get a feel of how to do this, how to appropriately apply a wig such as this one. So we have the combs in the front. We have just that parting right there. So like I said, you can only shift it to a side part or to the middle. I'm just going to keep it in the middle. And you also have some adjustable straps at the bottom and a comb in the back. I never really dig the comb in the back of my head because it's really uncomfortable for me. I have a real P-shaped head, so I tighten up the adjustable straps. But other than that, wigs are a go. Wigs are a go. All right, so I'm gonna put this baby on. So I'm gonna do this baby 2 ways for y'all. I know a lot of ladies are uncomfortable with having leave out. So actually I'm gonna show you just one way without the leave out because Gem 46 comes with these cute little baby hairs that we can flex. And before we do that, I just want to discuss something. I always put concealer or from my lipstick company, Slaytown Essentials. It's called No Filter. It's more towards, my skin complexion. I do have other shades. All of my lipsticks are organic and animal cruelty free, and they're also multi-purpose. So you can use No Filter in my other shades as a concealer. So I'm using No Filter today for the inside. Inside, not on top, but the inside. So it can match my skin tone, the part. And I'm rubbing that in, okay? I'm rubbing that baby in. You don't want to put too much because it's going to seep through to the hair on top, and that you don't want. See, it looks like a skin complexion. In following videos, I'll show you ladies how to pluck apart to kind of widen it. But with this one, we don't have a lot of plucking room. So I'm just gonna wear it as is. I think she's cute enough, and I'm gonna put her on right now. Okay, so we're gonna take our Gem 46. Remember, we're doing no leave out. I put the combs right there in the front. I didn't even tighten it or anything yet. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on now. Y'all getting me too hyped now. Hold on now. Hold on. Let me just look in the mirror, adjust my, all right, hold on now. Shut your ass up. Do y'all see what is happening right now? Like, seriously. Do y'all see the fuck? Hold on. Ew. I love this. I love this. This is some Naomi Campbell shit. So now I'm going to show you ladies how to flex these little corny little baby hairs that they gave us. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. Just give me a second. Let me grab my thing. So I have my edge control that I like to use. They're actually going out of business, and I don't like that. I need to write them and have them give me some of theirs. It's $5.99. It's Clubman. Yeah, I love them. I'm addicted to them. They work for any type of hair because I do faux locks, and I'm working with different types of hair, from the finest of hair to the most coarse, beautiful hair, thick hair. And it lays everybody's edges down. So it's definitely going to lay these down. So personally, what I like to do is I like to take some of the baby hairs that they gave us from this side and swoop it over, because it looks kind of weird to me when the baby hairs are like, that's just me, that's just my preference. You can do what you like. Typically, if I'm wearing this, I'm doing leave out, period. I'm gonna have my shit out in the front, swooping and doing its own little thing. But I just want to show you this beauty. Let me step more back. She is long and fearless. We love her. Don't we love her? So I love her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wigtypes.com. It's a sensational lace parting wig. Her name is Jim46. 46 inches of goodness. And let me know how it works out for you. All love.